people aren't as familiar with this one as the other cars. So we're here at the Hillsborough Concors Elegance, and I'm with my friend Perry. I've known Perry for a long time. He's had some really cool cars, and he shows up with this thing, and I just fell in love. I love these Dinos. It's a 68.
68.
And a lot of people are not familiar with these cars. They know the 246, the other Dinos. There's a different convertible. There's a bunch of different Dinos out there. So which engine does this car have?
This has the all-aluminum 2.0 liter, all-aluminum top and bottom engine, the same one that's in a 206 Ferrari Dino. Why don't we look at the engine?
Yeah, let's see under the hood. Let's check it out. Thanks. I'll let you open this all-aluminum hood yourself. This is fantastic. It's really clean under here. You get nice original hose clamps and everything.
Hose clamps original. The Dinoplex, which is tough to work on, has been repaired. It can go sometimes, but it's got a unique feature that you turn it over, and in emergency power, you can run the car on the points of the car instead of the rudimentary electronic ignition, which is what the Dinoplex is. It's all the clamps, everything else is pretty much all original to the car. The engine's been redone once, but it runs terrific.
Yeah, it's a dual overhead cam.
Correct. It's a V6 at a 65-degree angle. Lampredi designed the engine. That's, again, the same one that's in the Ferrari Dino at the 206. Again, all aluminum.
I love it. It's just beautiful. These cars they're artfully designed on the outside, the interior, and then if you look at the engine, it's just beautiful. It's just the mechanical design is aesthetically it's beautiful as well as mechanically. I've driven some of these and I love the way they rev. They're just so sweet to drive. They're just it seems like the perfect amount of power, not too much, not too little. It's just they just kind of dialed this thing in, didn't they?
They did. It's a great car. It's like I said, a GT car. It revs very freely. Like I said, it's all aluminum. You just have to wait for the head to warm up before you really hit it, because you don't want to warp a head because it's all aluminum. Just be careful. But it runs perfectly. It really is a great car.
That's great. Thanks. Well, that's our look at this beautiful Dino. Dino, baby. That says it all. Thanks, Perry, very much for showing me this wonderful car.
Absolutely. Thanks for coming, Steve, and I love showing it and driving it.
Yeah, well, good luck here at the Concours, and I think you're going to win something, you asked me, because it's a beautiful car.
Thanks very much.
We'll catch you next time in the garage.